All right, we're here making some barbecue beef sandwiches. We got 2 chuck roasts here. We're going to cover them in some Texas beef from Cosmos Q. After we cover that up, we're going to put some cow cover on it, also from Cosmos Q, to get that nice layered flavor in there. Let's throw that on. After we're done that, we're going to throw it on the Traeger at 225 till we hit 165 internal. We're going to take those suckers off. Look at that. Cover it in some beef broth. Put a little onion, a little garlic in there. Cover them up with some tin foil. Throw them back on until they hit 210 internal and they pull apart like butter. Absolutely beautiful. Let's throw that good stuff onto a sandwich. A little cheese, a little crispy onions, some barbecue sauce. Let's eat that. Delicious. Follow us for more.
Hi, I'm Aiden. For target audience, we're targeting people who are interested in culinary, specifically barbecuing, learning how to make great food on their smoker/barbecue and smoking meat. This would be our ideal target audience. Also, the title we have given our video is, in quotes, how to make barbecue beef sandwiches on a smoker, end quotation. The reason we chose this title was because it was very appealing, basic, and informative.